¿Qué pasa, everybody? Welcome back. So for today's video, we're gonna be doing upholstery. We're going to try to reupholster this seat. All right, this is off of my 2000 single cab that I just recently got. Now I think we have everything in this box. So here's the foam, and I got this kit off of eBay for $57, I think. I still haven't opened this one, but I'm assuming this is the seat cover. And I just went with whatever it came with in the truck originally, which is this basic confetti looking thing. So not bad. So these are simple to install. You don't need no hog rings or nothing. Let me take apart the seat and I'll come back with you guys. Man, this thing was... I guess I'll have to fix that. This is how you remove it. That's one. This one's ripped. Here's another one. Take that off. Well, I guess I can rip it. There's another one right here. Another one right here. Come on. Now you can see all the damage that it has. Hopefully we can reuse it. This one's broken. So this goes like that. So those two are ripped. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to put this back on. It's cracked right here. Man, I thought it was gonna be a simple video. Nope, guess not. So before I went to bed last night, I got on Marketplace and I was looking for a seat. I wrote 3 people. Nobody wrote back. I was hoping to go pick one up this morning, but then I passed out, woke up, and I was like, I got a damn garage. I got a welder. Why the hell don't we not fix it ourselves? So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna grind it, weld it, and send it. Eh, check that out. Not too bad for not knowing how to weld. I'm a grinder, that's why. Now that we're back on track, let's start putting this thing together. Seat foam is done. Got my own towel that I used to rebuild my carburetors on. shit, I heard a tear. And all we do now, you guys see? Maybe, maybe not. This right here is gonna flip all the way around like that, and then we're gonna slide this into here. Once you got one edge going, it's a little easier. Be afraid to manhandle it. Oh, I heard another tear. Stop tearing. We got a tear right there. That's not good. There we go. I mean, that's pretty much it. If you want, you can pull it back a little more. There it is, not too bad. Now I gotta clean the top, the best to my abilities, and I'll show you guys once I'm done with that. Well, there it is, not too bad. What do you guys think? It's easy to do, but I still gotta do that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a new cushion for the top, and I'm gonna order the whole kit for the other seat too. So I'm gonna do the leather bottom, top on the other seat too, but not too bad.